Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad 2. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the tab, and let's start with numeric password. Now we can enter 6 digits numeric password, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits numeric password. For the numeric password, let's set up only 4 digit type, because basically they are the same and the only difference is length of the password. So now let's use this to unlock the tab, and let's proceed to alphanumeric password. Now you have to enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. Use it to unlock the phone, and in the end select pattern. To create it, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Again, use it to unlock the tab, and once it's done, let's go back and enter face unlock. Scan your face via front camera. Tap done, and now you can unlock your tab using your Face ID. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.